filled with sound. She sat through the night and waits to be relieved by her mate. But he's late. In his approach, he's trespassed. He's in territory. And it has backup. When he finally arrives, he's met with his new task. Parenting. Only hours old, the colt stands, ready to meet its protector. The Cranes reaffirm their bond as they embark on this new phase of their union. The care of a tiny colt. In the nest, a second egg hasn't yet hatched. But concern for the egg is quickly pushed aside by more pressing danger. A life on the ground means a life among predators. The sandhill cranes meet danger head-on, putting themselves between the coyote and their nest. But in their effort to defend their chick, parents have exposed the colt to another threat. The northern harrier courses Yellowstone's marshes, gliding low, flightless, without shelter. The colt is an easy target,